Install the KeepTruckin ELD and Smart Dashcam in your vehicle. Installing the KeepTruckin ELD and Smart Dashcam in your vehicle takes only a few minutes. In each box you will find the KeepTruckin ELD, the KeepTruckin Dashcam, cable specific to your vehicle, a windshield mount, a set of wire clips, the Getting Started pamphlet, instructions for fleet administrators, a DOT reference card, an alcohol swab to clean the mounting area, and a sticker. Install the KeepTruckin ELD in your vehicle. With the engine off, locate the diagnostic port inside the vehicle. The diagnostic port is generally located under the left side of the dash or near the driver's left kick panel. This truck has a 9-pin diagnostic port. KeepTruckin will include cables in the shipment. You can attach cable directly into your vehicle's diagnostic port. Ensure the cable is secured by turning the collar clockwise to lock it in place. Then, thread the cable up to the top of your dashboard. Attach the other side of the cable to the KeepTruckin ELD. Screw down the thumb screws on the 15-pin connector to secure the cable to the ELD. Once plugged in, the indicator lights will flash momentarily before turning solid red. After approximately 1 minute, the left side indicator light will turn green, indicating a successful GPS connection. If this does not occur, you may need to move your vehicle to ensure it has good exposure to the outdoors. Before you mount the ELD, use the provided alcohol swab to clean the mounting area. Choose a spot on top of the dashboard to mount your ELD. The mounting spot should be near the windshield, but should never cover any vents or electrical components that may cause interference. Remove the backing from the adhesive strips. And mount the ELD to the cleaned area. You can now begin to automatically record your driving time using the KeepTruckin ELD. Install the KeepTruckin Dashcam in your vehicle. Clean your windshield with the provided alcohol swab. Attach the mount to the dashcam so the adhesive strip points towards the front of the camera. Then, peel the backing off the adhesive strip and attach the camera to the windshield. Adjust so the dashcam points straight outwards. Attach the wire clips on the edge of your windshield. Wrap the USB cable around the edge of your windshield using the provided wire clips. Connect the USB cable to the KeepTruckin ELD. You can confirm that the dashcam is functional using the KeepTruckin app. Connect to your vehicle using the KeepTruckin app. Press Take Camera Snapshot to take a picture. Make sure you get a good view of the road. If you have any questions, visit support.keeptruckin.com or contact us at 855-434-3564.